Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurisha Najira. My metric number is F25A1626. Today, I will explain the synthesis of pentanol from 18. 18 has only 2 carbon atoms, while pentanol has 5 carbon and n aldehyde groups. So, the synthesis requires chains, elongation, and functional groups transformation. First, 18 is treated with sodium amide and ANH2 to form NH satellite ion. This ion react with 1 bromopropane, then an SN2 reaction, ending 3 carbons and producing 1 pentene. Next, the terminal alkene undergoes hydroboration oxidation using 9 ppm, followed by hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. This anti-Markovnikov reaction form an enol intermediate which rearranges to give pentanol. In conclusion, alkylation extends the carbon chains and hydroboration oxidation selectively produce the aldehyde.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shakira Balkis, no matrix F25A1580. For this question, I will explain the synthesis of pentyl acetate starting from benzene. First, benzene undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylations using ethyl chloride and aluminum chloride to form ethylbenzene. This step introduces a 2-carbon side chain into the benzene ring. Next, ethylbenzene is treated with NBS underlike to carry out benzylic brominations, producing 2-bromethylbenzene. Then the bromide atom is substituted with a hydroxyl group using aqueous sodium hydroxide, forming pentyl alcohol through an SN2 reactions. Finally, pentyl alcohol undergoes esterification with acetic anhydride to produce the final compounds pentyl acetate. In conclusion, this synthesis is efficient and logical using well-known reactions to convert benzene into the desired ester step by step.
My number matrix F25B1519. Benzene is really stable and soft bond. It like to react. Adding ion FeBr3 supercharged to the forming so the benzene actually notice it. It is a method that like to squeeze into tight spot. It's right in the middle of the carbon bombing bond. Aggressive granite region attack formaldehyde, same formaldehyde as 1 carbon. Essentially, spreading 1 extra carbon onto urine. We want to turn the alcohol into an aldehyde. C=O. Usually, oxidation is harsh and goes too far, turning it into an acid. But PCC is special. It's gentle. Aldehydes are very reactive and fragile. We want to protect this group so it doesn't break in future reactions.
My name is Muhammad Shabir bin Azlam, metric number F25A2066. Today I want to explain about question 4. First, ring opening via ozonolysis. The synthesis begins by breaking the cyclic structure by treating 1-methyl-hexane with ozone 03, followed by a reductive workup like the dimethyl sulfide. The double bond is cleaved. The result, this product 6 also heptanol aligner molecule with an aldehyde at the one and a ketone at the other. 2. Reductive elimination. The next step converts the carbonyl group, the aldehyde and ketone, into amine group. Reagent use an excess of a secondary amine like dimethylamine CH3, 2NH, and a reducing agent like NaBH3. Sodium tricycloborohydride process the amine react with the carbonate to form imino ion, which are then immediately reduced to tertiary amines. Final product. The end goal shown in your note is substitute heptane chain with nitrogen atom at the 1 and 6 position. Product name NNNN. Tetramethane 6-1 6-diamine. Efficiency. This is efficient because it converts a readily available hydrocarbon into a complex functionalized diamine in essentially 2 major chemical steps. Thank you.